Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video already we have seen how to convert binary to decimal format. In this video let's try to understand the given decimal number to binary. So just observe the given examples. So 13 we get the answer to 1101 and 5 to the answer 101. Let's try to take the tracing for the value 13. So we'll divide by base 2 which is in binary. So 2 6 are 12, so remainder is 1. So 2 3 are 6, remainder is 0. Again 2 1s are 2, so remainder is 1. So if you observe here, all the reminders now in the format of either zeros or 1, so which is in the binary format. So we take from bottom to top. So now here we got the value to 1101. So if you observe, so this last value, so we got basically when you divide 13 modulus 2. So then this 0 we got basically when we have divided our value 6 modulus 2. So this one would be with 3 mod 2. And the last one what we have got at the last, so which would be 1 mod 2. So here if you observe, we need to print the result 1101. So considering the same example 1101 over here. So now this we can consider as maybe here we are trying to convert our decimal to binary. So we want to still display the value in decimal format, means 1101. So I'll just convert this value to base 10s. So this would be 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, and 10 power 3. So meaning each and every time, so we take the respective value 13. So 13 modulus 2 followed by into 10 power 0 plus similarly 13 by 2 you get the value 6. Again 6 modulus 2 into the 10 power 1. So followed by, so with 3 we'll try to do, and similarly we'll try to do with 1. So if you observe, we are trying to divide our number by 2 at each and every step. So first 13, so next comes the value 6, next comes the value 3, and next comes the value 1. So after that our number becomes 0. So here we are trying to start from 13, go until 0. Here we came to one condition such that you keep on divide the number by 2. So then we'll go for while loop. So our condition would be, so while, so number greater than 0. So followed by here, so we need some value to multiply. So I'll just take a variable called sum to 0. So sum equal to sum plus. So we need our respective reminder. So how do you get the reminder? So we want the reminder in binary format. So we go for base 2 and you divide by mod 2, and that should be multiplied with value. So we'll take default value to 1. So at each and every step, you need to go for next power of 10. So you would multiply the value by 10. So value equal to value into 10. So followed by, I want next time my number to be 6. So in that case, what would we do? We would go and divide our number by 2, double slash 2. So let's try to keep this code in our Visual Studio and try to understand how does this work. I have considered a file name called decimal to binary.py. So let's take some number from the user, so which is int of input. So considered, so some value to 0 and value here would be in powers of 10. So default power of 10 would be 10 power 0, which is 1. So let's go with while loop. So while number greater than 0, done. So after this, so we'll try to add to our sum equal to sum plus. So we want the remainder in binary. So number modulus 2 multiplied by value. So after that, next time our number should be divided by 2. So we'll go for number double slash equal to 2. Similarly, our value should be multiplied in powers of 10. So value equal to value into 10. Just try to print our value. So we are getting our sum. Let's try to see. So this would be in the format of binary. Let's try to run our code and observe. Giving the value 13. So we got the answer to 1101. Let's run once again. So let's give the value 3. The answer should be 11. Maybe if I go for the value 5, the answer is 101. So this is how it works, guys. Let's try to understand the time complexity of this program. So which would be order of, here if you see, division came into picture. When you're trying to divide, of course log comes into picture. So as you're dividing by 2, so log 2 of n is our time complexity. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.